Hi guys, is that annoying service light still flashing on your Renault Megane 3? Don't rush to the service garage, because in next few seconds I will show you how to reset it yourself. It's really fast and easy. The service light doesn't just pops up from nowhere. You'll see a countdown burning before it turns red, so you'll have some time to get ready. Of course, it's a good idea to have a fresh oil and new oil filter ready before that annoying red message pops up. Don't wait too long to change your oil, because the factory interval is a bit too optimistic. So I recommend you to change it every year or around every 10,000 kilometers, as often as you can. So, all you need to do is to turn on the ignition, then scroll to the warning message. When you see it, press and hold the button at the end of the indicator stalk. It doesn't matter if it's the top or the bottom one. Keep on holding it until the mileage and the month starts flashing. And that's all. That's it. Super simple. You can also use the OBD scanner to adjust the service interval, because honestly, the default mileage and service interval are a joke anyway. So don't forget to change your oil and filter. It's a small job that makes a big difference. I really hope that this video made your life a bit easier. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tips. See you next time and drive safe.